Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to switch things up a bit. I'm tired of this. I've been rocking this for like a week now, so I want to do like a high bun. Even though my hair is still this short, I want to try and stretch it and see if it can end up in a bun. So that's what I'm going to do today. So if you came to see me transform this into a cute, sleek high bun, then stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm back. All right, so as I said, I've been rocking this for a week, so let's get out of it. Whew. Okay, so first things first, in order to like detangle this, because it most likely has knots, because I've been wearing it for a week, we're gonna just dampen my hair a little bit so I can like comb through it so I can sleek it back. Okay. We're gonna use this. I need just a little bit of some of this, so I'm just gonna use my Melanin because that's what I have next to me, so that's what I'm gonna use. You can use any moisturizer you have, but I'm just gonna use that because that's what I have right here, right now. Okay. Okay. Awesome. So let's just comb through this.
Hey guys, I just wanted to take a break to remind you that you can follow me on my handles at curlysu91, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button.
Okay, so now that I've kind of like combed through this mess, so the size of my hair shorter than the rest, like the top of my hair, and if you can see, like you can see like it is, because when I cut my hair, it was like the side going back was shorter and the top was like longer in a cute little style when I did the big chop. So I don't know if it's gonna go up, but we're gonna try, boo. We're gonna try. I'm gonna use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Flexible Styling Snot, because this is gonna give me a really nice hold. And if you don't use Gorilla Snot, then this is the more expensive version to it. They're pretty much the same thing. I needed to. Let's brush this. Alright, so we don't worry about that little fly away. We gonna fix that real quick. Okay, now let's try to fix the rest of this mess. Gotta make sure everything is tucked in as best as possible. I'm just gonna use pins. Then we're gonna use this kinky kankleon braid thingy. Today I was sleeping like of course. And I've like put a rubber band instead of the elastic that was in there. And we're gonna do this, boom, right? And it's in half. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take that half and split that half in half. Okay, and we wanna put that at the base, wrap it at the base of your hair. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Okay, then we're gonna pin it. So then we're gonna take the other half, and then what direction are we going in? We're gonna do it in the other direction. And then we're gonna pin that one too. So now we have this half, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna cut this in half again, and then we're gonna wrap. Yeah, so we're gonna wrap, and all that's doing is, as you wrap, it pushes what's already there closer to the top. Okay, you know you want to do this, and then you do the same thing for the next one. You wrap it around. Okay, as I said, let's sleek those edges. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the same Creme of Nature Snot to sleek on those edges. Now, if y'all know me, y'all know that I am not big on the sleeking the edges. That is not my forte. Okay, and that's it, y'all. This is a simple style. It does not take long. It's super easy and super cute. Like, I absolutely love this high bun. It is so cute. So cute. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So, you know, short girls can rock high buns too. Okay. Okay, this is the back. You know, it looks good. I think it looks good. So, yeah, guys, everything that I've used in this will be down in the description, so you can check it out. If you like this look and you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you'd like to comment, put it down in the comments. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, I hope you consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.